Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial we will see how we can test RESTful API in Postman. So we will download Postman for Windows and click here. We can see download. So we have to go to postman.com/download. From here we will download the app as per our need. Now Postman is downloaded. Click here to open the Postman for download. So now you can see Postman is installed in my system, and these APIs that I already created, which is also